Getting dressed every day shouldn't stress you out. It's time to define your personal style so that every time you get dressed, you feel amazing. Personal stylist Roxanne Carne joins us to share some steps to styling a wardrobe that you'll actually love. Welcome to Texas Today.
Thank you. So glad to be here today.
Now, you have a heart for transforming the wardrobes of many women. How did you know this was your calling?
Oh boy, so it came about in a very unconventional way.
Okay.
Prior to starting my business 12 years ago in styling, I was actually in corporate HR for the better part of 15 years, and my concentration was talent acquisition or recruiting. So I was helping people get into their next best career step. And through that naturally came helping them prepare for their interviews. And part of that was how they presented in terms of image.
And I feel like this is so important because when you look good, you feel good too, right? Now, you have 6 steps to help us through this when it comes to styling a wardrobe. Where do we start?
Yeah, so where we want to start is defining your style.
Defining your style.
Okay. So what that means is we've got to understand what is working for you, what resonates from you from an aesthetic standpoint, right? So an easy way to do that is just kind of scan the world, right? When you're out and about, see what inspires you. Oh my gosh, I love this outfit on this person. How does she do it? Or thinking about your favorite celebrities and how they dress, or maybe putting together a vision board on Pinterest, right?
Ooh.
So you're getting that inspiration to again define what works for you aesthetically.
Next, refine for your real life.
Yes.
What does that mean?
So what that means is now that we've defined what works for you from an aesthetic standpoint, now we've got to think about where can I insert this in the different parts of my lifestyle. So it can be from dropping the kids off to school to going to that business meeting, or after hours going to a cocktail hour, or even travel. So building these capsules that align back to the aesthetic, but then making it applicable to your life.
I feel like I'm starting from ground zero. I'm at your third point, which is edit your closet. That's where I'm at, and I don't know where to begin.
Cleo, so that one is super important, but that's why we do those first 2 steps, because now when we're editing the wardrobe, we're actually doing it with intention. You're always gonna harken back to, what is my style right now? What do I want it to be? And answering those questions, is this something that I need to keep or maybe alter to make a little bit more perfect for me? Or if the answer is no, and it's not aligning with what you want and where you want to be, then okay, can I donate it or maybe consign it? Or sometimes you just got to ditch a piece.
And just say, it's time to let this go.
Absolutely.
Number 4, which I really like as well, plan before you shop.
Yes.
Because sometimes we just do that as a recreational sport, and we're like, let's just
go shopping.
But for what?
Yeah, well, that's it. You've got to then kind of think about, what intentionally am I going to be bringing into my wardrobe, you know, in terms of fit, in terms of quality, and also pricing, right? So that you're, again, when you're getting to that next step, which is shopping, you've got a great plan in place.
I like that as well. Oh my God, you know your stuff.
I do this all day.
Another step of yours is shop with intent, like you said.
Yeah, intention is the key word here, Cleo. And the reason is, and this is why we take all these steps to get here, because like you said before, sometimes you're just stepping into a store, you're like, I don't know where to start. Or you may be buying pieces that don't work for you. But now that we know what works for you, the colors, the textures, the lifestyle, now we're gonna be very, very focused and really kind of weed out what doesn't fall into those categories.
Makes sense.
So yeah, making that really intentional drive to bring the right pieces into your wardrobe is going to save a lot of time and money in the long run.
Lastly, maintain what you love. What does this truly mean to you?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, you've taken the time to invest in quality pieces. Now we got to take care of it, right? So let's not throw the clothes in the corner when we come home.
Roxanne.
Right? We don't want to do that. We want to make sure that we're hanging things properly, dry cleaning pieces that need to be dry cleaning, laundering.
You were speaking to me.
Storing the pieces well. I will say, let's get rid of those plastic bags that come for the dry cleaners. You got to let your clothes breathe.
Have you seen my closet or something? What is going on?
Yeah, so those little things are going to make the difference, because it's going to actually help you build a wardrobe that ends up serving you over a lifetime with great care.
Roxanne, if someone wants to work with you, how can they do so?
Yeah, just visit my website at roxannecarne.com.
I definitely need your help, Roxanne. Thank you so much. Transform your wardrobe, transform your life. To work with Roxanne, visit roxannecarne.com.